You have, it is a right eye, so you have the lateral rectus muscle, you have the medial rectus muscle. Underneath, you have some inferior rectus, and you would have inferior oblique. I'm not worried about inferior. You know, need to know medial, superior, and lateral rectus, and superior oblique. And if you remember, those cranial nerves control things. Okay. You have the blue layer, which is the middle layer, is the choroid layer. The choroid layer. Behind the cornea, the colored portion of the eye is the iris. The function of the iris is to control the size of the pupil, the hole in the center. It's smooth muscle. What was muscle tissue? Smooth muscle tissue. And it will either dilate the pupil, make it larger in order to capture more light when it's dark, or if you go outside and it's very bright, it's going to constrict to reduce the amount of light in the eye. Between the cornea and the lens, it's filled with aqueous, watery humor. Watery humor. Aqua meaning water, aqueous humor. Behind the lens, it's orange, is the retina. This chamber is filled with vitreous humor. Vitreous humor. It's jello-like. These on the sclera at the point almost where it meets the cornea. There are two black dots, one on each side. Those are the canals of Schlemm. Canals of Schlemm. Or sclera, venous, sinus. This is the white, the sclera, so it's a venous sinus. The aqueous humor circulates through the canals of Schlemm. All right, you have orange dots, which are ciliary processes. You have ciliary muscles inside. And the ruffled edge are also ciliary muscles, but they're called the ora serrata. Ora serrata, serrated knife, serrated or ruffled edge. And ciliary muscles plus and including the ora serrata and the ciliary processes make up the ciliary body. So don't think they're separate. Okay, I know it had ciliary body listed, and then it broke the others down beneath it. I'm interested in it. The ora serrata, ciliary muscles, and ciliary processes. At the very back of the eye, you can see where the optic nerve leaves the eye. And where it leaves the eye, there is a yellow spot. That spot is the blind spot. When I ask you what is the scientific name for the blind spot, you're going to tell me the optic disc. Optic disc. You also, near the optic disc is a little indentation, a fovea. That little indentation is the central fovea or fovea centralis. And there's a raised area that completely encircles or goes all the way around that central fovea. That is the macula lutea. Macula lutea.